Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Random Generator. In this video, I will be showing you how to download YouTube thumbnail images without using any applications or websites. To do that, what we need to do is obviously need a video to download its thumbnail from. So let's go over to my channel to pick an example video. So let's download this image, for instance. We just hit right click and select Inspect Element. As you can see, it opened up a window and there we see the HTML representation of that page. So to choose a thumbnail, you can hit the cursor icon right there, then choose the thumbnail. As you can see, we have chosen an element, and inside that element we have an URL, and that URL is basically our thumbnail URL. To copy that, we hit right click and hit copy link address. Now the link address is copied, so we just open a new tab and paste it right there. As you can see, we get the thumbnail. To download it, you can just hit right click and save image as and go on from there, but as you can see, this is currently a low resolution version. To get the higher resolution, what we need to do is, let's get rid of all of this stuff, and as you can see, it ended with HQ default. So we need to change that to max res default and then hit enter. As you can see, now we get the full resolution thumbnail image. To download it, it is basically pretty much the same with the smaller version. You just hit right click and save image as and go on from there. And one more thing I want to mention here is that the second parameter. As you can see, we have a second parameter in our URL, and it may look like a random mess, but it is actually our video ID. So if you change that video ID with some another video's ID, it will get that video's thumbnail. So let's say I want to get this thumbnail. So I choose that video, let's pause it and copy its ID, which is after the equal sign. Copy it, close that, and then change this one with our new copied ID. As you can see, we get that thumbnail of that video. So in theory, you can get every thumbnail from every video, but obviously use that responsibly. Do not use someone else's video thumbnail in your projects without any basically approval of them, and you know, those good stuff. So that's basically it for our video, and I hope you liked it. If that is the case, please make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing. See you next time. Take care.